This is Lee Professor Q at your service. You know, I like to talk all things AI and overall technology all day, all the time. Today, we're breaking down something that confuses a lot of people. Why are there so many versions of Microsoft Copilot out here on these AI streets? And which one is actually for you? Microsoft is calling itself a Copilot company now, and it's not hard to see why. You have Microsoft Copilot, you have Microsoft Copilot 365, you have Copilot-Studio, Copilot for Security, Copilot for Azure, Copilot for Sales, and Copilot for Service. Today, we're breaking down the entire Copilot lineup based on the latest insights. We'll look at what each version does, who it's for, and how it can give you hours of your life back. Let's dive in. You guys know what time it is. It's time for instruction. Before we start, family, if you end up liking this video and you want to support the channel, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button to help me grow this channel and get more AI news and training out there to you. It would be much appreciated. Plus, you don't want to see a grown man like me cry if you don't. For those of you who are watching my content for the very first time, I have explained what Copilot is ad nauseum in previous video content. Let me give you my condensed explanation. Think of Copilot as Microsoft's family of AI assistants. Not one product, but a whole ecosystem. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant built across Microsoft in general. It uses large language models, natural language processing, and your organizational data to help you write, analyze, automate, and make decisions faster. The easiest analogy, Copilot is like the Justice League in the DC comics and movies. Each hero has a different power and skill set, but they fight on the same team. First, let's clear up the consumer side. We have the free version. This is basically Microsoft's version of ChatGPT. Granted, it is powered by OpenAI. This is the standard Copilot, the one built into Microsoft Windows, Edge, and is available at MicrosoftCopilot.com. Now, what does it do? It answers questions. It summarizes web pages. It helps with writing. It generates images. It adjusts Windows settings, and it provides everyday productivity support. Now, who is this for? Basically, it is for home users, students, or anyone who wants a free AI assistant. This is your general purpose AI. Great for everyday tasks, but not connected to your work documents or business data. Think of Microsoft Copilot as Batman because he is a master strategist and has a tool or gadget for every situation. But he doesn't have superpowers or special metahuman abilities. Basically, Batman mirrors Copilot's versatility across many tasks and could flex across many use cases. Next, we have Microsoft 365. This is the enterprise-grade Copilot built directly into Microsoft 365 apps. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneNote, Loop, Whiteboard, and more. Now, what does it do? In Word, it drafts, summarizes, and rewrites, transforms text into tables. In Excel, it analyzes data, it finds trends, it builds formulas, and creates what-if scenarios. In PowerPoint, it turns documents into presentation with speaker notes. Now, in Outlook, it summarizes long email threads and drafts replies. Then we have Teams, where it summarizes meetings, identifies action items, and answers questions in real time. In OneNote, it creates a to-do list, summaries, and organizes plans. Then lastly, we have Loop or Whiteboard, where it helps brainstorm, create, and summarize collaborative work. Productivity impact in Microsoft 365 Copilot saves hours of work, writing, analyzing, meeting prep, follow-ups, and reporting. It's the AI that transforms how organizations work day to day. When I think of Microsoft 365 Copilot, Superman comes into mind. He is a powerhouse in the Justice League. He handles the biggest workloads and has multiple superpowers and meta-human abilities. Basically, he mirrors Microsoft 365 Copilot's ability to transform productivity across the entire enterprise suite. Family, Microsoft has built specialized Copilots inside Dynamics 365 for CRM and ERP workflows. These are what I call role-specific Copilots. Microsoft doesn't stop at general office work. They have built-in specialized versions for specific jobs. Now, let's talk about these for a little bit. We have Microsoft Copilot for Sales. This is connected to CRMs like Salesforce or Dynamics 365. Before a call, it pulls a client's history and suggests talking points. It prepares sales briefs, summarizes customer interaction, and pulls CRM insights. It's like having a prep assistant who never sleeps. This is for sales reps, account managers, and sales leaders. Think of Copilot for Sales as Aquaman. As king of the seven seas, he manages vast resources and diplomacy. Same as client relations. Like Copilot for Sales, he knows exactly how and who the stakeholders are and what the history of the territory is. Next, there is Copilot for Service. This is for customer support teams. It plugs into tools like Zendesk or ServiceNow to help agents resolve tickets faster by pulling answers from your company's knowledge base instantly. It summarizes support tickets, suggests responses, and pulls knowledge-based articles. Now, Copilot for Sales is for call centers, support teams, and service managers. Think of Copilot for Service as Zatanna. She uses precise, targeted management, and her abilities mirror Copilot for Service ability to mirror how the version of Copilot can automate specific business workflows. Next of the Dynamic 3 is Copilot for Finance, currently in preview. This handles the boring stuff like data reconciliation and debt collection by pulling info from SAP or ERP systems directly into Excel. Think of Copilot for Finance as Mr. Terrific, the man who is fair play personified and a genius at multitasking and data. For Copilot Finance, he's one who can look at thousands of spreadsheets and instantly spot the one number that doesn't add up. Family, let's talk about some of the advanced tools of Copilot. We are talking about Security, Azure, and Studio. First, we have Copilot for Security, which uses signals from Microsoft Defender, Sentinel, and Intune to help security teams detect and respond to threats faster. It analyzes threat data, suggests remediation steps, automates parts of incident response, and helps close the skill gap for security teams. Now, who is this for? This is for SOC teams, cybersecurity professionals, and IT departments. Basically, it helps cybersecurity teams resolve threats faster and with more confidence. Copilot for Security is like having a cyber analyst who never sleeps. Now, when I think of Copilot for Security, I think of Hawkman because he is a warrior protector archetype. He represents defense, vigilance, and rapid threat engagement. Next, there is Copilot for Azure, which is an AI-powered assistant built directly into Microsoft Azure platform, using large language models to help users design, operate, optimize, and troubleshoot cloud and edge infrastructure with natural language commands, providing insights, generating code, and automating tasks. This tool helps cloud architects manage their infrastructure using natural language. This version of Copilot is for cloud engineers, DevOps teams, and IT administrators. Think of Copilot for Azure as the cyborg of cloud management. He is deeply integrated, highly intelligent, and always connected. Then we have Copilot-Studio, which lets organizations build custom copilots using their own data, workflows, and business logic. Copilot-Studio lets you build your own. You can create your own custom GPTs or automated workflows tailored exactly to how your business specific ideas and workflows run. This version of Copilot is for developers, IT teams, and organizations needing tailored AI solutions. Copilot-Studio is the firestorm of the Justice League. He can restructure matter and energy at the atomic level. He mirrors how Copilot-Studio lets you assemble workflows, connectors, and logic from scratch. Firestorm's energy in Copilot-Studio is about taking raw components and reshaping them into something entirely new. So, what's the real impact of these versions of Copilot? According to the data from AAGIT, it comes down to eliminating pedestrian tasks. We spend hours every week drafting, searching, and summarizing. Copilot doesn't replace the worker, it replaces the drudgery. The biggest hurdle isn't the technology, it's the training. Learning how to prompt or talk to AI is the new essential skill set of today's times. Each one boosts productivity in a different way, from writing and analysis to security and customer service engagement. Just like the Justice League, Copilot is a powerhouse superhero team, but on the enterprise company level. Which version of Copilot are you most interested in? Or are you still worried about AI taking over too much? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deeper dives into AI tools and Copilot features, changing the way we work today. Now, let's end on this note. If you fail, especially when trying to learn or use AI, I want to congratulate you. Most people don't even try. Until the next one, I'm out.